I'm going to turn on the visibility of our canvas and go to right view. Let's now create the bump over here. So I'm going to go to construct and select offset plane. I'm going to turn on the visibility of our origin and select this plane. Going back to right view, I'm going to drag our arrow down, zooming in and positioning this one here. Hitting OK. Next, I'm going to go to inspect and select section analysis. Now for the face, we're going to select this newly constructed plane and hit OK. So I'm going to go to top view, and now I'm going to go to create and select torus. So now we are prompted to select a plane or planar face. I'm going to left click plane 2 to make sure. And I'm going to hover my mouse over our origin to have an inferred constraint. Next, I'm going to drop my first point here. And for the diameter, I'm going to key in 18. Hitting enter. Now the operation to be a new body, the torus diameter to be 5. And hit OK. Next, let's inspect our torus. I'm going to turn off the visibility of our analysis. And now I'd like to move this one further to the right. I'm going to hit M and grab our torus body, going to right view and turning on section analysis. I'm going to move this one up to here. Going to top view, turning off section analysis and going to back view. Form looking good. And now I'm going to hit OK. Going to right view. Now zooming in, let's make a minor adjustment to our torus. I'm going to hit M and select this body and move this one up. Hitting OK. Next, let's create 2 instances of our torus to be placed here and here. I'm going to go to bodies and select body 122. I'm going to hit Control C and Control V. So moving this one down, moving this one here, hitting OK. Next, Control C, body 1, 2, 3, selecting bodies folder and Control V and moving this one down, moving this to the right, moving this up. I'm going to turn off canvas and move this one here. Hitting OK. Now moving to our bodies folder. So we now have 3 torus. And I am seeing body 102 being left out. I'm going to go to combine once more. Right click. Select edit feature. Activating tool bodies and select body 102. Hitting OK. So now it's merged to frame. Now inspecting once more. Going to back view. So I'd like to move this one back further. Going to right view. And going to move body 10, right click and select edit feature. And nudging this down here. Hitting OK. Next, we're going to combine the 3 torus to our frame. So I'm going to go to modify, select combine. Now the target body to be frame, left click frame, tool bodies, selecting 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 4. Now the operation to be joined, and I'm going to keep new component and keep tools unchecked and hit OK. Next, let's add some fillets over these edges, hitting F, zooming in and selecting this edge, and this edge. Now for the radius, I'm going to key in 2.5 and finally hit OK.